How to fix a Snapchat profile not showing? So this problem usually occurs when either you haven't made the public profile or the app is not up to date. The, so the first thing first you need to do is you need to make sure the app is up to date. And the next thing what you need to do is you need to go into the Snapchat application and now tap on profile icon at the upper left corner. Now tap on gear icon at the upper right corner. Once you get access on the settings page, scroll all the way down and under privacy control you need to simply tap on contact me and set on friends and contact. Similar to it, you need to make all the privacy controls option to public as much as possible. Now is the turn for view my story. Set at custom or else you can also set on friends only. After that, tap on comment settings and tap on auto approve everyone. Go back and tap on see me in quick add and turn it on. So in this way, firstly you need to make all the privacy control to public as much as possible. After that, come back to the profile page again and here you can see my public profile. So if you don't find it, then what you need to do is you need to use VPN. Make sure to turn on VPN and connect to USA. So you can basically connect to whichever country you want, but I will highly recommend you to connect to USA. Once you connect to USA, log out from your Snapchat once, and once you log out from your Snapchat, log in into your Snapchat again. Turn off your VPN when you are logging out of your Snapchat. Make sure your VPN is turned on, and when you are logging into your Snapchat, make sure VPN is turned on as well. Then your public profile will be shown. So following this two steps, you can easily fix the Snapchat profile not showing problem. I hope this video was useful for you. If this was useful for you, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.